Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we will be touring one of the most beautiful and extraordinary homes in all of the Bahamas. Welcome to The Lookout. Completed in the year of 2021, The Lookout spans across 3.6 acres of calming, palm-filled land with personal, pristine white sandy beaches offering beautiful views of the ocean. With the architectural design of this modern Caribbean masterpiece, it glows with an aura of luxury, serenity, but most importantly, with beauty. The main residence features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, along with an exclusive master suite with a private rooftop terrace and garden. The guest cottage nearby is spacious and crafted with the same beauty and prestige as the main residence, and located seaside near the private dock area. Some of the luxuries of the Lookout include a beautiful sparkling resort-style pool and a multi-use outdoor tennis court area. The Lookout has more than enough to make anyone feel and enjoy living in the lap of luxury. Now, let's take a closer look and explore the Lookout. The price for this home is in USD $25 million. Jamaican dollars, $4,027,950,000. Bahamian dollars, $24,999,358. Canadian, $35,086,242. Euros, $21,471,125. And British pounds, $18,642,875. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.